Hey, welcome to the channel. Here in the video, we will share the details for the Dead Island 2 error code 0x180D. The error reads, failed to join the session. Before we proceed, I want to let you know that this is my AI avatar and some of the visuals in the video are also generated using AI. However, all the information shared has been manually researched by me. As per our research, the error comes when players try to join their friends in co-op mode. Many shared that every attempt to connect results in this error message, preventing them from playing together. According to our research, this error is most likely related to temporary system issues, outdated game or device firmware, or unstable internet connections. To deal with the error, the first thing we suggest is to restart your device along with your internet. Once restarted, launch the game again and check if the error still comes. If the error still comes, then check if your game has any pending updates. Install the update if available and see if the error still comes. If the error still persists, then check if your device firmware needs an update. If yes, then update it to the latest version and check for the error again. If the error still continues, then try connecting over a different Wi-Fi or mobile hotspot. Simply switch the network and check if this helps with the error. At last, if you still get the error, then it is most likely coming from the system itself. In this case, wait for some time and try again later. Thanks for watching. This is all we have for the error. If this video helped, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Have any questions or issues? Drop them in the comments below. Thank you.